Hello Greenfingers! Welcome back! I'm Marites and you're watching Greenfinger Moms. If you are new to this channel and find this video interesting, click the subscribe and share this video to your family and friends. I'm not an expert, I just want to share with you what I've learned based on my experiences as a plant hobbyist. With that said, without further ado, let's get started. 6 months ago, we propagate this 6 years old money tree or Pachira aquatica. And in this video, you will know how to care the big trunk with molds and also to remove the infestation of some cockroach. And also, we will repot this big 6 years old money tree Pachira aquatica from terracotta pot to a big plastic pot. And what are the potting mix that I use for big trees? And at this time, I want to share to you and show to you what happened to the trunk that I cut 6 months ago. Here's the growth of the stem, and this is the 6-year-old braided stem of the money tree. And as you can see, it has growth. Some of it has 7 leaves and some has 6 leaves. And I put some fertilizer also for this repotting of big trunk of money tree Pachira aquatica. And I make sure that this plastic pot, when you repot, it has 8 drainage holes. I drill some 8 drainage holes, and I use the garden soil and some stone to prevent draining all the soil from the draining hole. And also, I add some organic soil, perlite, and pumice, and cocopeat. As you can see, there is a lot of weeds and in the big pot, the old terracotta pot, and it has more leaves than before. That's 6 months ago when I cut all those stems for propagating. And in this old terracotta pot, I saw some infestation of black cockroach for garden and molds for this trunk with braided old 6 years old money tree. So in doing and cleaning this and scrubbing it, I repot first this with the help of my husband. It's so big and it's so heavy, but make sure the soil is dry. Don't water it before repotting, so you can easily remove from the old pot and you cannot break the old terracotta pot. As you can see, it has bigger leaves, and I just transfer this into the big plastic pot and make sure to remove some soil and to let it show some old braided stem. And I use fertilizer, which is 14-14-14, and I will just put on the link below or on the comment section or description what are the mixture of some neem oil with a dish soap. And I use some a while ago, you can see the coffee mixture It's an old copy. I just put some water on it and pour in the soil, and also some on this is the fertilizer, and moisten the soil with lots of water so that you can check it out if that's draining hole is draining like this. So it's perfect that when you watering this money tree, it goes down the drain to all the water that you put in the soil. When you water this money tree, don't water on the stem. This will happen. It looks like rot, but it's not rot, but it's mold. It has molds. That's why I use neem oil mixture to clean this. As you can see, there's a moving cockroach. That is one of those infestation with a big tree. So I remove it because it's in outside. It's not in indoor plant for me. And this is what it looks like when it's dry. This is the old braided 6 years old money tree. It looks like. And in the future, I want to cut all those big trunk. I want to propagate it in a small and make it a bonsai, something like that. And for now, I just want to repot and make it healthy. And this is what it looks like after I cut all those trunks and get some stem and propagate it. And later on, I will show you on the next coming video what happened to the propagation. And thank you for watching. Happy planting. Keep safe and God bless us all. Bye.